you.
Auntie Jello, thank you.
Are you excited? Oh, what is in there? Whoa! Oh, wow!
My brand new shoe. Oh no, please, it's gonna be for me, not for you, Mom.
What?
Please be money.
Read it, please.
Be a little fun today, just be a lot of your happiness. Valentine's Day. Shit. I miss you. Shut.
What is it
She
again?
spelled my wrong.
Charlotte. Oh, that's good enough. That's correct. Charlotte.
Charlotte.
What you gonna say, Auntie Jello? What you gonna say?
Thank you. Now please. Oh.
Read the front. You forgot to read the front of the card.
Oh yeah. And here.
Yeah.
4 special girls. Be a little cute today. Be a little sweet today.
Oh, what else? What else you got?
What's in here?
Yeah. What else? Excited. Oh, be careful. Hey, pick those up. Why did you make that thing? Pick those up. You open it, so that's probably mine over there. Pick up on the floor. Right there. Put it over there. Okay, put it in there. I check it. That's probably mine.
No, it's mine.
Oh, put it in there first. I check it. Thank you, Tigelo. Gabala ka pa, Tigelo. Kaya naman.
Look, it looks like a captain for minutes.
Okay, more.
Please be more. Ooh.
What else in there? Oh, that's mine. Kapaganda
gift,
ako.
a gift. It's a gift.
Oh,
Please
wow.
Please be an iPhone. I love iPhone. No, not an iPhone. No.
Hey, Charlie, that's probably not for you, though. But you can open it. It's okay. It's okay.
Not for me.
I
hate
think that's not for you, babe. Why did you open it?
here.
Oh, that's for... Oh, no, that's actually... Put it back. He will like that. Oh, now we're gonna write. It's okay. I got the other wrapper. We give it to
Look, a clue.
him. Oh, wow. Wow, that's a lot.
Please.
Oh, wow. Is that for me or for you? Oh, that's for you. Not gonna fix me. Tigelo, thank you. Nagabala kasi Jared, binuksan yung magugustuhan ni yung Tigelo Likin. Thank you very much.
Oh yeah, I think this is for me. Hello Kitty.
Oh, wow. You got a lot, Charlotte.
I'm so mad. I wish I could have squishy. Talking!